How to change the game language in Sausage Man. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and you want to change the game's language, then first of all open the Sausage Man app on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby page. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right corner and click on Settings. Inside Settings, go to the left-hand corner and tap Language. Now under the language option, tap on Game Language drop-down. Now from the language packs available, choose the language you want to change to. You need to download the language pack. Tap the download icon right next to the language, and once it downloads, simply tap on this loop kinda icon and click OK. Now this will restart the game and your game display language will be changed. So that's how you change your display language setting in the Sausage Man application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.